Good morning, students. So today in our shift classes, I come with class 10 accountancy. So here we will go with the first chapter, whose name is Final Account Without Adjustment. So class 10, first chapter, Final Account. So by the name Final, it's clear that this is the account which made by the company at the end of the year to know the final position of the business or the profit or loss of the business. So what is final account? In order to ascertain its income and also to assess the position of asset and liability, the statement prepared are known as financial statement. So this final account is also known as financial statement. So this is only prepared by the company at the end of the year to know the financial position or the position of asset and liability of the business. So now, what is the asset and what is the liability of the business? So this final account is being divided into three portions. That is the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So in trading account, we will incur all the direct expenses and direct income. So what is direct expense and what is direct income? It will be clear to you when you will start the practical. So for the basic, you just take the direct expense or direct income is those transaction which is directly related to the manufacturing of a product. Okay. So now in profit and loss, we will put the transaction of indirect expense and indirect income. So this is the debit side and this is the credit side. So debit side of a trading account will be direct expense and credit side will be direct income. Whereas in the profit and loss account, the debit side will be the indirect expense and the credit side will be the indirect income. So this is the two variables of the debit and credit of the profit and loss account. But in balance sheet, this is a statement which is prepared at once in a year. This trading account and profit and loss account will prepare for the year ended. That means for a whole year. But the balance sheet is to be prepared for one day as on. Okay. So in this balance sheet, there is no debit and credit sided. These two sided have been divided into liabilities and the assets of a company. So now what are the liabilities? Liabilities means the loan, creditor, capital which the company have to repay. And the asset means the intangible or tangible property or the assets of a company. So we will place this both the liability and asset in the balance sheet, whereas all the direct and indirect expenses and income will be treated in trading account and profit and loss account. So for today, for class 10, this is the overview of the final account practical. I will directly come to practical. For the theory part, I will give you question. You just go through from your book. It will be easier to you. But for the practical, and in this channel, I will solve only the practical. As if you see the last video that I uploaded yesterday about class 9 golden rule, this golden rule is also applicable for this chapter. Not only for this chapter, up to the BCom or MCom, this golden rule is applicable for every side of commerce or accountancy. So for class 10, today this is a video on final account where we will come to know the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. By preparing these three transaction or by preparing these three entries or three format, we come to know the final account of a company. Final account means the finally preparing in a year to know the financial position of the business. So please share, subscribe and like the video and press the bell icon to get the updated notification. Thank you.